Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you have a good time. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this picture with Adobe Photoshop. And the first time going to Adobe Photoshop and click open and get the background book. And the first time waiting to opening. So now go to the layer list and unlock, and now go to turn to the file pictures and get the personal, move it to this space in here. Okay, so unlock it and turn to the first picture and get zoom. So go to the toolbar, get the pen tool, press click and hold, and when you see the menu is opening, get the curvature pen tool and make a border to the paper, just a one face of the paper. If you see the line is very curved, for fixing you can just make this. So now right click on the mouse and click the make selection, and don't change the number, just click OK and click press and the delete from your keyboard. And now turn to the second picture and make a border for the personal just in here. Okay, I just making a fast board because time and the video don't getting a more time. You can change it, you can make any line you want. And so for moving the picture left to right or and right to left, just press and hold Ctrl and move the scroll button from your on your mouse, so you can see. So for zooming, just press and hold Alt from your keyboard and move the scroll from your mouse. So now click under the line or under the board, right click and make selection and click OK, and from your keyboard press the Ctrl and J button. You see in the layer list you make it a layer. Okay, so press and hold the Ctrl, so click the double layer together, and now move the double layer to the picture. So get the moving tool from the toolbar and press and hold the Ctrl for free moving. Okay, if you moving without the control, you can see just cannot moving a free move. Okay, so now just move the double layer together under layer number 0. Okay, like this. So now look, focus with me. If you see in here, you have a layer, masked layer without background. Just one click and move to up. Okay, you can see the personal is coming out of the book. So now you can resize. You can see this picture as a double person. Okay, you can get back just now and press and hold control to getting double layers together, the first person with the without background and the picture together. And now move, you can see the person is coming out. So now, because removing the leg from here or in here, go to the toolbar and get the eraser tool, and now just click this person without background. Okay, the layer, and just you can remove it. So now just save the project, Ctrl S, and save with the JPG tape. Okay, I'm saved in the last time or in all time, but you just rename any name. So click to the save for saving like this. So now when you saved, go back and close the all window and go to open and get your saved picture or saved project. So now make like the first step. Okay, just go to unlock and get the second person and drop in the space here and unlock it again, and go to the toolbar and get curvature pen tool and make a board. Okay, so now when you make a border, just right click on the border, make selection and okay, and now just press the delete from your keyboard, delete button. Okay, so now turn to the second picture of this personal and make a border for the person. Okay, like first time. Don't forget you can make the border line with high quality just like it, for example, but I'm just making a fast border just for review. So now click under the board, right click at the person and make selection, click and click OK, and now press and hold the Ctrl and J when you see the layer, make it. Now press and hold Ctrl and click the double layers together and moving it over to the first picture. So now you can moving the personal with a you can just resizing the first time. Okay, so now with the press and hold the control button from your keyboard, you can resize with a free resizing. And now just move the double layers together to down, so you can see. Try again, and now you can see. Just go here and move the personal layer without the background to the first point or up. Okay, so now press and hold the control and click the double layer together. So press and control again, press and hold control button to moving it. Okay, so now if you see, the person is come out. So for removing the leg, just go to the toolbar and get eraser tool and select the layer, the personal layer without background, and remove. So now it's your pictures ready. You can just save it from your files from your computer. So this video is end, and I wish if you love it, this review, I sure you like and send for another people's for learning. So subscribe my channel to see more videos again and next time. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.